All. Myself Nimit Jain from Arya College of Engineering IT. Now we take some more method of shortcuts of CF and PI. Now next form is given by e की power ax into v. So for pi we have to write down 1 over fd into e की power ax into v. Now we put e की power ax outside the multiple and d replaced by d plus a into v. So there is two possibility. If e की power ax is given by either cos ax or sin ax, or either it's given by another forms x sin x and x e की power ax, or second is cos ax or sin ax. This form is given by this. So and I will use one more formula, 1 over fd into x into v. So x into 1 over fd into v plus d over dd 1 over fd into v is given by this formula. So my equation d square minus 2d plus 1 y equals to x sin x. So first m square minus 2m plus 1 equals to 0. So m is given by 1 and 1. So my CF is given by c1 plus c2x into e की power x, and 1 upon d square minus 2d plus 1 into x sin x. So I can write sin x e imaginary part of e की power iota x. So this term is become e की power iota x into x. Now we put e as a form d replaced by d plus iota. So e की power iota x 1 upon d plus iota square minus 2 d plus iota plus 1 into x. So imaginary part is given by e की power iota x into d square minus 1 plus 2 iota d minus 2d minus 2 iota plus 1 into x. So e की power iota x equals to 1 upon d square plus 2d plus 1 minus iota minus 2 iota into x. So then e की power iota 2 iota into 1 plus d square plus 2d minus 1 plus iota upon 2 iota into x. Now after solving, e की power iota x can be written in the form of cos x plus iota sin x into 1 plus iota sin x plus 1. If I will take the iota terms, my answer has become 1 upon 2 x cos x plus cos x minus sin x. So my last answer y equals to c1 plus c2x into e की power x plus 1 upon 2 x cos x plus cos x minus sin x. I will take another formula. It is a form of x sin x. So I can write in the formula, where the formula is given by this formula. Formula is given by this formula. So I get this formula. So my formula become x into fd d square minus 2d plus 1 into sin x, and derivative of 1 over d into d square minus 2d plus 1 into sin x. So as sin x we put d square minus a square. So x into 1 upon d square minus 2d plus 1 into sin x, or differentiation is terms became 2d minus 2 d square minus 2t plus 1 ka square into sin x. Now we substitute d square as a minus 1. So my terms became 1 minus 1 into 2d plus 1 sin x, and 2d minus 1 1 minus 2d plus 1 ka square into x. Again we put and simplify the terms. We get answer x by 2 cos x plus 1 by 2 minus cos x minus sin x. So pi is given by x cos x plus cos x minus cos x upon 2. And my one more question is given by d4 plus 2d square plus 1y equals to x square cos x. So m square plus 2m square plus 1 equals to 0. So m square plus 1 square equals to 0. So m value is given by plus minus iota plus minus iota. So cf is given by c1 plus c2x plus cos x plus c3 plus c4x sin x. Now for pi x square cos x is written by real part of 1 upon d square plus 2d square plus 1 e की power iota x into x square. Now again d is replaced by d plus iota, so e की power iota x plus d plus 1 iota का स्क्वायर प्लस आयोटा का स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर. सो रियल पार्ट ई प्लस आयोटा एक्स 1 प्लस डी स्क्वायर प्लस 2 डी आयोटा माइनस आयोटा प्लस 1 डी स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर. And if we substitute real part e की power iota x into 1 upon d square plus 2d square into x square, and we take real part, I get answer minus 1 upon 48 x4 cos x minus 4x cube sin x minus 9x square into cos x. Now I will take one more problem, is d square minus 3d square plus 7d minus 3y into e की power 2 cos hyperbolic x and d4 plus d square plus 1y into e की power minus x by 2 into cos root 3 by 2x. So I will take this. So d4 plus d square plus 1 of y equals to e की power minus x square cos root 2x. So do one thing, I have to find out the roots. So my root is given by 1 by 2 root plus minus 1 by root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by root 3 by 2. So my CF is given by C1 cos root 3 by 2x into C2 sin root 3 by 2x into e की power x by 2 plus C3 cos root 3x plus 2 plus C4 sin root 3x upon 2 into e की power minus x. For PI I have to find out 1 upon d4 plus d square plus 1 e की power minus x by 2 into cos root 3 by 2. So first we have to write down the factors. So factors is given by d square plus d plus 1 or d square minus d plus 1. Now we replace d by d minus 1 by 2. So e की power minus x by 2 is given by 1 upon 2 d minus half का square plus d minus half plus 1 into d minus half का square minus d minus 1 by 2 plus 1 into cos root 3 by 2. And if we simplify the term, we have to get e की power minus x by 2 1 upon d square plus 3 by 4 minus d square minus 2d plus 1 by 4 cos root 3 by 2x. Now after simplify, I can get the term and put d square value as 3 by 4. So we get the answer y equals to e की power minus x by 2 into c1 cos root 3 by 2x plus c2 sin 3 by 2x plus e की power x by 2 c3 cos root 3x plus c4 sin root 3 4x. This is our complete solution. Now my chapter is complete. Thank you very much.